good afternoon to respected chairman, co-chairman. My project title is Nest for NEHR, Nurturing Ecological Sustainability and Tribal Livelihoods. Let me read the title. You can use from here, keyboard. Yeah. Nurturing Ecological Sustainability and Tribal Livelihoods through Climate Smart Food-Based Systems in NEHR of India. So here, arrow key, down arrow key, keyboard. So I will not go much detail about the introduction of the project. I just want to say the graphical representation shows that the Arunachal Pradesh contribution in all the compared to other states in area and production of the whole India. And I'm targeting here the especially Arunachal Pradesh and it's sharing the border areas. We are targeting especially the China border areas, then Myanmar and Bhutan areas. So here the location is Arunachal Pradesh, and here we will be selecting the three major districts. One of this on Anjao district, bordering with the China and Myanmar border. Then another one is the Upper Siang district, bordering with the Tibetan region of the China, and then the Upper Subansiri district, also bordering with the Tibetan district of China. And all the three districts are located more than the altitude of 1000 meter MSL level. Then these are the three objectives where I will be targeting for especially restoration of the degraded and marginal landscape through the diversified fruit-based system using nutrient-rich food species, and then validation of the eco-friendly packages comparing with the INM-based approaches, the natural farming and the organic farming approaches. And the last one is to build entrepreneurship and skill capacity among the tribal women and youth specific to the quality planting material productions, then orchard management strategies and value addition. The first objectives will be leading through the graphical representation. You can just see that we will be targeting the community mobilization, where we will be locating especially the village councils, SHG groups, and different KVKs and all. Then simultaneously, we will be also identifying the potential minor fruit crop, that is lesser known fruit crops that I have mentioned. Many of the fruit crops in the like Delinia indica, then Bacoria ramiflora, then Aurea, then many of the species of the Prunus genus, then Myrica esculenta. So basically, in this objective, first we will be targeting the regional specific fruit crop. That is, we will be also trying to introduce the dragon fruit. Then also we will be targeting the avocado, then lychee, jamun, and whatever the especially humid subtropic to the temperate region crops. Then simultaneously we will be also targeting to propagate the planting material, not the quality planting material of the underutilized food crops in our campus location through the seeds only. That planting material will be targeting for planting in the bunds, field bunds, especially the roadsides. Even though we can utilize our NSS activities through the students, the school children and all. And then quality planting material we will be targeting for the major crop, that is especially the khasi mandarin, dragon fruit. We are having the quality planting material also, and then lychee, avla we are having the block, and then jamun also. So these are the just landscape we will be trying, especially where the zoom cultivation or shifting cultivation is going on, and we will be also targeting the beneficiaries through the village councils to target the specific locations, and these are the underutilized food crops we will be targeting. Even though the study, many of the study has been conducted, but these border areas, many other than these crops also, many of the underutilized food crops are available. The second objectives will be targeting for validation of the eco-friendly packages. So we'll be targeting these four modules, especially the natural farming, organic farming, and chemical farming. Then along with this one, we'll be going for the all the natural aspects, Dhanajivamrut, Jivamrut, and Nimastra in case of the natural. Then in case of organic and chemical farming, we'll be going for the use of the micronutrient special like this Arca special, as well as the integrated nutrient dose with the application methods and timeline. So we'll be going for the different using of the indicators, especially the soil parameters, growth and development parameters, as well as the BC ratio. So objective third, that is entrepreneurship development as well as the skill capacity among the tribal communities, youth and farmers, youth and the women especially. So here we'll be targeting for hands-on practices for the quality planting material productions in major fruit crops like the especially khasi mandarin will be targeting, then dragon fruit obviously, and then lychee and all. Then along with them we will be also carrying out the many sustainable orchard management trainings, awareness campaigns, and they also will be targeting for this sometimes diversity fair also will be conducting. Then the last one is important, that we will be targeting the processing and value addition. Especially we'll be adopting here the Agricultural Skill Council of India, this plant nursery associate syllabus for this development of the primary trainers, and then the master trainers with this particular ASCR standards. So this is the social and nutrition importance. So I hope this is the common one. So I will just keeping, and this is the environmental and climate resilient, and this is our budget summary. So this is I have here proposed the 3 years of this one project proposal, but in 2 years we will, if it is a within a 2 years of time span, then we have to reduce little bit of work because it is a more elaborated type of the work extension activities, especially in the border regions. So thank you so much. Thank you all. Budget slide. One after the budget. It's not working. Reload the presentation. Then last one, this right. Here, especially we are locating the border area, so obviously extreme weather climatic conditions and many times landslide used to be there, transportation facility, and farmers they are getting very less price for their communities, as well as they are selling in the local markets only. Obviously, so that way we can ask them to go for the value addition in case of the locally available underutilized food crops, as well as the whatever the available the major crops there. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
One or two. So you have presented each and every technology for available at your place.
Yeah, sir.
So,
But
no. But one thing is there. You can refine it, which you are going to implement, because lot of scope is there in Northeast, and you have a dearth of technologies, which is required by the farmers, but they are not able to have it. So in that way, it has to be modified.
Try to have a some nursery, education, planting, training. That
yes, sir. I'm planning to skip the second objective specially, sir.
no. Farming, organic farming, traditional farming.
Yeah, that I'm.
But you have to stick to
Yes, sir.
that. What is the demand?
So whatever technology are available with the university here, how we can promote those technology in terms of the fruit cultivation here, and also about the Zoom cultivation is still practiced here.
Yes, sir.
How you see the prospect of promoting fruit tree cultivation in Zoom, under Zoom farming system?
So actually, that land can be used for the plantation of the perennial fruit trees, because that land, the tribal communities they used to left. After that one, they will be shifting to the another land, and they will be not coming back again on the same place of the land. Again, for the community basis or community lands and all, we can discuss with the panchayat as well as the.
Yeah, because when the community leave and don't come back here, why the community take interest in planting fruit trees, which will be.
The thing is that in tribal communities, if you are providing the planting material and giving them a proper knowledge, they will be interested, because many of the things I have seen that trainings and all will be just distributing the planting material, but they need the guidance.
And holding is required.
Yeah.
1 lakh raw plants are planted.
Okay.
4,500.
No, this is important. Anyway, thank you very much.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Next